Hello, I'm Colin Prada, Managing Partner here at Whitecap Chevrolet Buick GMC. I'm standing here in front of a 2019 Chevrolet Silverado, an all-new design, completely redesigned for the model year. But this truck isn't like any other. Living in northern Alberta, we are occasionally treated to a fantastic light display overhead. Inspired by these dancing lights, I give you the Northern Lights Edition, a custom truck exclusive to Whitecap Chevrolet Buick GMC. So, what makes this truck so special? Well, it's a special body color called Tangier Orange, custom rims with Duratrac tires, mud flaps, running boards, tonneau cover, remote start, Northern Lights badging, and a backlit Chevrolet grille. We hope you enjoy this new truck, the first of many to come in this collection. If you want more information, stop by and see us or visit our website at whitecapgm.com.